Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with a prepared script and a sequence ready to receive audio. This saves time and prevents rework. Open Premiere, create a new sequence, and add an empty audio track where the TTS will land. Next, copy your final voice text into the clipboard or a plain text file so the generator reads clean text. Once done, confirm sample rate matches sequence settings to avoid pitch shifts. This step prevents syncing headaches later and sets you up to generate speech immediately. Now create the speech file. Either use Premiere speech-to-text if available, or paste your text into an external TTS service and choose a natural voice, moderate speed, and neutral intonation. Export the result as a WAV at 48 kHz to match your sequence settings. This avoids resampling artifacts. Then import the file into Premiere's project panel and drop it onto the placeholder audio track. Make sure clips are labeled and aligned roughly to your edit, so you can fine-tune timing next. Finish by aligning the TTS with visuals. Use the razor and slip tools to trim phrasing and micro-adjust, start so words match cuts. Once timing is clean, apply a gentle EQ to remove muddiness, mild compression to even levels, and set loudness to about -16 LUFS for consistent playback. Finally, export using AAC or PCM based on delivery. If you hear artifacts, recheck sample rates and re-render the clip at the correct bit depth. This fixes most sync or quality problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.